Welcome to our Group 36 MIS project on Asos. In this video, we will first look at the business model of Asos. Then we will evaluate the strategic values of information technology that Asos has. We will then go on to the potential entity relationship diagram to have understanding of the flow of the entire system. Next, we will present a meaningful SQL that can be performed on Asos website. Finally, we will give some suggestions on improvements which could be made on the interface of Asos website. Asos, known as Seen on Screen, is a fashion online retailer selling latest fashion to customers. In its customer segmentation, it divides customers into groups that can be targeted. It is a niche market as they differentiate customers based on specific demographics, such as age, gender, and interests. The age range is between 18 to 34 years old who would want to buy the latest fashion trend. Moreover, in Asos website, it currently divides the gender segments into women and men. Asos have 5 general value propositions, which are accessibility, customization, price, cost reduction, and convenience. In its website, a section named Asos Marketplace creates accessibility for customers. 50,000 products of different brands from 40 countries enable customers to easily buy on their platform.
Asos customer relationship is likely a self-service nature between customers, which the company does not have a direct relationship with customers. Customers could utilize web page to purchase product. In case customers are having trouble while using the website, Asos presents tutorial video on how to shop on the site. Besides, Asos has a completed customer assistance service system while using 24 hours daily via email, call, and social applications.
There's totally 4 segments for the revenue stream on Asos. First is the product revenue. Asos have sold over 4,000 products on their own website to generate the profit. Second is the usage fee. Asos charge their vendors for using the website for £20 monthly rental fee. And third is transaction revenue. Asos has charged 20% for each confirmed sales from their vendors for the commission fee to generate another revenue. The last but not least is the advertising revenue. Asos allowed their
Asos is based on design and provision of service fashion retail and the serve customer group around 20 years old. Asos has already established a common platform for customer and fashion brand. Besides, Asos develops the technology of the market-leading application and improves mobile or desktop network experience to help them better understand customers' demand and bring customers a better shopping experience.
This part is about key resources. Their main resources are based on collection facilities, which include return centers in Australia and Switzerland, and a fulfillment warehouse in Europe, China, and the US. Besides, it also has its customer care team, and customers can contact their support team 24/7. Asos also uses the zonal pricing technology to give the corresponding price to different regions, which makes Asos easier to change their price of each market.
Asos have 6 main members as Asos third-party partners to furnish more than 1,000 brands. Furthermore, Asos and its partners consider ethical training and sustainability program to be the most critical part of their partnership. For 2020, all the products which contain any animal product must observe animal welfare policy and have to publish a modern slavery statement. Asos partners with financial companies included credit and debit card, PayPal, and Klarna. These options let customers from different countries can shopping more accessible.
The value chain analysis model divides business activities into 2 categories. The first one is primary activities, which are directly related to production and sale of products to target customers. By analyzing these activities, Asos PLC's performance could be improved.
There are several elements of IT strategy value of Asos. In 5 factors, suppliers and buyers' bargaining power are relatively low. Asos can benefit from reducing costs. The threat from new entries is relatively weak, which take an advantage in economy of scale. And Asos have strong differentiation that make competitiveness is strong. Porter's model suggests 3 generic strategies that could adopt and gain advantage from competitors. Cost leadership let Asos become the lowest cost producer in the online fashion retail industry. This method could meet companies' financial objective. Another leadership would be the differentiation. The negative performance that Asos has give wide range of categories that guide customer. Moreover, ERP provide management platform for Asos. It indicates that inventory must be fast and accurate to supply products, and don't disturb the current work when switching to a new control systems. The value chain analysis model divides business activity into two categories. The first one is primarily activities, which are directly related to the production and sales of products to target the customers. By analyzing these activities, Asos' performance could be improved. Support activity include firm infrastructure, human resources, procurement, and technology. Those activities can be improve Asos' performance and keep the operation to run smoothly of the whole business. On the Asos website, you can easily use the search engine to find out what you want. For example, I type in the North Face brand name and the jacket. They will show me all the related products. But if there's too much to confuse you, you can use the slot engine to slot the price or by the age they release. You also use the filter engine to fill out the gender, the product type, the color, the size, and the price range. For example, I choose medium size to find out what I really want to buy.
Asos is an e-commerce platform that needs information technology to function its website efficiently. Entity relationship diagram could lead a clear image of understanding and communicating the flow of the entire system. It is a data modeling techniques that illustrate graphically to represent and identify the relationships between entities. In this diagram, 9 entities are mainly comprised, which are user account, customer, payment, order, delivery options, employee, category, product, and supplier. There are various attributes below entities. For example, the table entity of customer is located at the center of the ER diagram. Customers should have their own unique ID, which would be the primary key, and it could not be repeated by other customers. The account ID would be involved and used in other entities' attributes. Given name, email address, postcode, telephone, country, payment method, and invoice numbers are the remaining attributes which provide the basic information of a customer. It has one-to-many relationship with user account and other. After making a possible data model using the ER diagram, creating a database using Microsoft Access would be the next step. A database is a collection of information. 9 databases tables will be demonstrated by using 5 samples records in each table. One example would be the table of customers. The database has 5 samples information of customer with unique account ID. The information of customers such as name, email, postcode, telephone, country, and payment method are included.
Regarding to the SQL, first sentence will be select from T product because we need to tell the database we are going to search something in the product pool. And the second sentence is where product type active wear because we need to fill out the active wear product only. And the third, because we need to further narrow the pool, so we type in product brand Nike to only focus on the Nike brand product active wear. And the last, we use the price range to 50 to 20 pounds to only fill out these price range, so we can only search our product in 50 pounds to 20 pounds. And we add order by product price to slot the product by price to more easy to find what we need. For the recommendation to Asos, the rating system in Asos is too difficult to find and is non-public, so when a new customer wants to see the review, they have to go to a third-party website. So Asos should add a hyperlink under each product to let the customer easily to access to the marketplace to check the review. At the end, Asos should improve their AI system for the size recommendation because it's not accurate enough. They should let the customer to fill in their size by their own.